Hi, physics under 5 minutes. Okay, yes, I've changed from 3 minutes to 5 minutes because 3 minutes में कुछ भी नहीं समझ आ पाती थी. So I think 5 minutes is a decent time to understand a small topic nicely. Today we are doing atmospheric refraction, just the basic concept of atmospheric refraction. Atmosphere means air में से कुछ आ रहा होगा. Refraction means light bend हो रही होगी. This we know. We know कि refraction is light bend हो रही होगी. Now typically what a refraction is, that whenever light travels from a rare medium to a dense medium. If this is a light ray, this is the incident ray, this is the normal, the dotted line, N is the normal, and when it goes to the dense medium, it just shifts towards the normal. That's what is called refraction, right? So you can see the point there. Whenever light travels from, bends towards the normal, when it goes from rarer to denser medium, the light bends towards the normal, the basic concept. Okay, now what is atmospheric refraction? First of all, try to understand that suppose this is Earth, this I have made sun, forget this. This is the sun and this is the Earth. The light of the ray from the sun will come to Earth. It is traveling from different layers of atmosphere. We have atmosphere on the top. It is the light is traveling from different layers of atmosphere, troposphere and stratosphere and all those things. Now first concept is these layers which are closer to the earth, ye wali layer. This is the earth, this is the layer which is closer to the earth. This is very dense. The closest layer to the earth is very, very dense. While as you move away, the next layer will become rarer. If you go further away, the next layer, exosphere, will become even more rarer. So what happens is, the light is, so this is dense, this is rare. So the sun slice is traveling from where? It is coming from here. That means it's coming from rare to little denser to more dense. It's traveling from rare to dense. So first of all, the point, the earth layers which are close to the earth, the air layers which are close to the earth, ye wali layer, they are dense, and the which are far from there are rarer, which are towards the space, they are rare. Then the light from the sun has to travel from obviously the rarer layer to the denser layer. Now the rule we know, as the light goes from rarer layer to the denser layer, it has to bend towards the normal. Now let's look at the diagram very sweetly. So till here we have covered. Now only very small point is left. Suppose this is one ray of light that I am considering. Okay, ray 1 from the sun. This is the actual position of sun. This ray of light is coming and hitting the atmosphere. Traveling from rarer to denser, I will draw a normal 1. What will happen to this light? It will bend towards the navel. वो दब जाएगी, normal के पास आ जाएगी. ray 1 को कहाँ जाना चाहिए था? यहाँ देखो, just trace my hand, I don't want to draw it. ray 1 को यहाँ जाना चाहिए था, but वो normal की तरफ दब जाएगी, so it will come here. It will become ray 2. Okay, good. Then what happens is it strikes the layer 2, which is denser. Again, when it strikes, we'll have to make a normal at that point. That's the normal 2. Where this ray hits the second layer of atmosphere, again it is traveling from rare to dense medium की तरफ जा रही है. उसको फिर से और दबना पड़ेगा towards the normal. अब ये ray 2 को कहाँ जाना चाहिए था? देखो, if I just, it should have gone here, but it is not going there. वो दब गई towards this normal. Instead of going like this, it bends towards the normal. R3 बन गई. So R3 is what is actually reaching the earth. It started as R1, bent, became R2, and R3 is what is reaching the earth. Now हमें ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ दिखाई देता है? Where do I see the object, source of light? हमें ऑब्जेक्ट वहाँ दिखाई देता है, very important concept, जहाँ से लाइट जहाँ से फाइनल रे ऑफ लाइट आ रही है. Final ray of light. Now this is the final ray of light which is reaching us. Suppose this is a person, and इस person पे the final ray of light is reaching. अब ये ray of light कहाँ से आ रही है? For this person, this ray of light is coming from here. It's coming from there. It's not coming from here. ये वाली ray तो उसके लिए सीधी चली जाएगी. For this person, if I trace back the path, this ray of light is coming from here. I'm just tracing it back. तो जो उसको दिखाई देगा, जो उसको सन दिखाई देगा, सन की इमेज दिखाई देगी, वो यहाँ दिखाई देगी. So the sun's image, जो आदमी को दिखाई देगी, will be here. It will be much higher in horizon. यहाँ था सन, पर इस आदमी को उसको यहाँ दिखाई देगा. Now this is the basic concept of atmospheric diffraction. Let's go to these points. Source of the light is not visible where the light is coming from the starting. It is actually present. Source of the light is not visible where it is actually present. यहाँ नहीं दिखेगा. It is visible at a different location. हमें sun यहाँ दिखाई देगा. Actual position ये थी, मगर हमें दिखाई देगा ये. So this is what is atmospheric refraction. I hope there are so many examples of atmospheric refraction. I hope if this thing is clear, you'll be able to explain others also very easily. In exams, if you make such a diagram and write all these points in short, that is more than enough. You don't need to write anything else for this kind of question. You write these points, you draw this diagram, and you are done with full marks in the exam question. All right? All the best.